So what do we do with KvCore Squeeze Page? A Squeeze Page is a small, very quick way of creating a post from a listing that we can very easily put it into any social media. So I'm going to show you how it works. Let me share my screen with you. All right, so okay, this is one of the listing that I picked, is my listing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy the MLS number, copy and paste it, Control C. Then I go to my KvCore, which I already turned on, and I go to the landing page and I will pick build squeeze page. So once you get into squeeze page, you go to single property. And at this time, what you have to do is to put the MLS number here, and it would automatically find it for you. So you click on it, you pick it up, and that's all you have to do. Then you go to generate link, and I usually pick the smallest one. I would copy this one, Control C, and I go to my Facebook and pick my posting. So I want to post it here. So what I'd like to do is to put it here, and automatically it's bring it up information. So what I usually do, I would go to my listing or the listing that you pick and just pick a little bit of description here so it's not empty. Control C, the description. You come back to Facebook and that's it. So post. And it is posted already to your Facebook. You can do the same thing if you have different pages. There you go. All right, I hope that helps, and good luck and all the best. That was the fastest way of showing the process to you. There are many other video clips regarding other training, mostly using AI as well, that you can use, and subscribe to this channel as well. All the best.